Hi friends, welcome to Situ's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is how to make the hair wrap cap for girls. I was made this hair wrap cap by using the old t-shirt. So it looks very pretty, right? And it is very useful for us also. Let's try in your homes by using the old t-shirt. Let's start the procedure. The required materials are one newspaper and one for sewing purpose thread and the needle and one scissor and one wool t-shirt. These are the required materials. First we have to take the newspaper and we have to cut the paper in this shape. Here I was taking the measurements based on my hair, that is a short hair. The length of the shape of the wrap cloth is 22 in length and the width what I was taken over here is 19. The width what I am showing over here is the width. That width was 19. Based on the extra measurements for the stitching purpose also I was taking these measurements. This was required for the short hair. For the long hair you can double the measurements. In this way we have to cut the paper. After shaping the paper, later we have to take the t-shirt like this. Later we have to keep the shape newspaper on the t-shirt in the position where I was kept, and with the help of the scissor I am going to shape the t-shirt like this. Before shaping the t-shirt I am going to fix the paper to the t-shirt with the help of the needles like this. Without disturbing the t-shirt I am going to fix the paper to the t-shirt like this with the help of the needles. Like this we have to fix. Just see how I am going to fix the t-shirt to the paper for getting the exact shape of the hair wrap cap. Finally, with the help of the needles I was fixed the paper to the t-shirt. Now I am going to cut the shape. So see here I was cutted the shape with the help of the scissor. The partition was taken out and the other extra t-shirt was removed. Now we are going to use this hair wrap shape cloth what we was cutted with the help of the paper by using scissor. Later we have to remove the pins what we are fixed to the paper and also the t-shirt. So let's see how I am going to remove the pins to that both. So after removing the pins I am going to remove the paper now. Now our hair wrap cloth infrastructure was ready. So let's see how it is. It is in the perfect shape, right? After making it the perfect shape, now with the help of the thread and the needle I am going to sew in that position, the upper part position where I am going to show now. So in that position with the help of the thread and the needle I am going to show now. Before showing the upper part I am going to turn the t-shirt for the upper part of the t-shirt. After turning it we have to sew it. In the reverse manner we have to sew the cap. So finally the sewing of the upper part was completed. Now I am going to cut this thread with the help of the scissor. Let's cut the thread. After cutting I was turned the t-shirt like this. The inner part was sewed beforely. So now our infrastructure of the hair wrap cap was ready. Now I am going to stitch the corners of the sides of the cap. Let's say where I am going to show here. In that manner by folding the thin layer into the inner portion. In that way we have to sew the both layers of the hair wrap cap with the help of the thread and needle. So finally the sewing of the corners of the sides of the hair wrap cap was done. Let's say how it was make over. So the sewing was finally completed. Now we have to take the elastic for about 2 inches. It was cutted here. I was taken from my old dresses. So now I am going to stitch it to the corner where I am going to show there. With the help of the thread and the needle I am going to stitch the elastic to the edge of the cap. Like this, we have to sew the elastic to the edge of the cap with the help of the thread and the needle. See how I was stitched to the elastic to the edge of the hair wrap cap. Now it is getting stretched. It is very strong to that. Later we have to take the button like this, or any old shirt button also you can take. Here I was taking this button at the top of the hair wrap cap. Now I am going to sew with the help of the needle and the thread. See how I was stitched the button to the upper part. So now our hair wrap cap was ready finally. It is ready to wrap our hair, wet hair. So it looks very pretty and it is very strong also, and it is a homemade. Finally our hair wrap cap was ready, right? I think you like this creativity and it is very useful also, and I hope you are going to try this in your homes also by using the old t-shirt. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.